Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful wall hanging. A wall hanging is used to decorate our house and it also adds grace and beauty to the walls of our house. So now let's make this beautiful wall hanging. First take a paper of 10.5 into 14.8 cm, then roll it using a pencil and stick its end with a glue. There is a shout out at the end of the video, so please watch this video till the end. Now make one more stick like that and stick them together. Now make 3 more sticks like this. Now let's arrange the frame and glue it. Scroll down and click that red subscribe button. Now let's make some flowers to decorate our wall hanging. Here I have a square paper of 7 into 7 centimeters. Let's fold this square paper into 2 triangles. Now fold as shown. Now let's draw a half petal and cut it. Now make 5 more flowers with different colors.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes.
If you want, you can also make some leaves.
I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind.
Now using a pencil, let's give shape to our flowers.
It's true, you made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we stepped on top of cars. Now I don't know you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times.
Our flowers are ready now. Let's decorate our wall hanging.
You don't know me too. When you will be forever young.
Let's stick 3 flowers at one corner and 3 flowers at the opposite corner.
I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet. I would feel my heart beat when you looked and smiled at me. Back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a
Now let's stick our leaves.
memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me.
Our beautiful wall hanging is ready. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified of every new DIY video. Time for the shout out. If you want to be there in the shout out, like this video, subscribe to DIY Pedia, and don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.
You don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now I don't know you don't know me too.